The profit of paint factory selling X gallons of paint, P of X minus 0.1 X squared plus 4X minus 30. How many gallons of paint should the factory sell in order to maximize profit? So this one, we'll treat it as a the domain is X could go anything greater than or equal to 0, I guess. They're not going to sell a negative 2 gallons of paint, so we'll say X is greater than or equal to 0. So this is a half open interval here, going from 0 to infinity. So anyway, if there's so it's not going to be a closed interval, but we can still because it's a continuous function, and we can tell from the graph it's actually going to be a parabola. Parabola only has one critical number, and that's either going to be a max or a min. If there's only one critical number, and it's a continuous function, then the max or the min is going to occur at that number. So anyway, so let's find the derivative here. P prime of X, the exponent 2 comes out in front. It's going to be minus 0.2 X squared plus 4. Minus 0.2 X plus 4. Set that equal to 0. And if we add 0.2 X to both sides, we get 4 is equal to 0.2 X, and divide by 0.2, we get 20 is equal to X. The 0.2's cancel here. So let's analyze the sign of this derivative here. So at 20, the derivative is 0. If X is less than 20, for example, if X is 0, if you replace X by 0 here, we have minus 0.2 times 0 plus 4. That's going to be positive. And if you put if X is more than 20, for example, if X is 30, 0.2 times 30 is negative 6. And negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2, so it's going to be negative. So you do some test points. So the derivative is positive, and then it's 0, and then it's negative. So you have a positive slope here, and then it's slope 0, and then it's negative slope. So that tells us that this is going to be a maximum value here. It's the only critical point. So it's going to be it's a local maximum, but it's also an absolute maximum because it's the only critical point. So they need to sell 20 gallons of paint in order to maximize the profit. So the company should sell 20 gallons of paint to maximize the profit. Okay, and if you replace so this equation is I guess typical of what you might see. I think it's a typical model for profit. You have the marginal profit, $4 per gallon of paint. That's how much they make for each gallon. The negative 30 would be the overhead cost, and then this first term here, this minus 0.1 X squared, represents a decrease in the profit due to loss of efficiency or maybe overtime. If the factory is trying to produce more paint than is optimal, maybe they have to pay overtime or something, the profit starts to go down. So this is what that term represents. So that concludes this presentation.